Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would share with you my little project. I was going to make this for two separate individuals, but I decided that, or I figured that one of them would actually be more grateful and actually like to receive this. So I'm going to be making a for a newborn set. I'm so excited. I love sewing for babies. So I'm going to make a newborn set for a little boy. I'm going to be using this color blue right here. And I'm also going to be using this fabric right here. I do have some other things. I don't have that much fabric for boys, so it's gonna be a little tricky trying to play with some of the colors I have. At least fabrics with prints, but I do have some that are solid colors that I can work out. I did this for my sister. I sewed a bunch of clothes for her when she was having her daughter. And if I find pictures, I'll share. But I don't know that I'll do that much, or I'll get a chance to do that much. My sister didn't want just regular girl colors at the time, so I went with like oranges and blacks and things like that. So when you see the picture, you'll see what I'm referring to. But I also made her a bunch of cloth diapers, but my family had contributed to that. They gave me money to buy all the materials to make the cloth diapers, and I sent her a ton of stuff for her newborn. That was her third, yes. So I'm hoping she still has those things, but we'll see. But this is for a friend, and I am so excited because they're having another boy, and we're just hoping that everything continues to stay the way it's headed, and it's a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. So I'm excited for them. For most of this video, you're not going to hear me talking. There's just a lot going on in the background, so I'm going to just show you the process and go along and then show you the end. And I might probably do it tomorrow morning. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see how far I get tonight. So let's go ahead and get started.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call. Someone to remind me who still believed it didn't matter you were far from home. 'Cause you were never really far from home. So if you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
Very next day, this is actually all done. So this is what the newborn pants look like. They're so tiny. This actually folds down, so you can use them longer And when you fold it down, you fold it about halfway or more, so you can fold it almost all the way down to the seam. But these are the little newborn tiny little pants, and this is the little matching. Oh. So this is the whole set right here. I'm actually going to be adding a onesie, and I'm going to be putting some vinyl on it, some sort of design. I haven't picked one just yet. So I'm actually going to be adding to this gift a little bit more, but this is just kind of like the start of it. So I am just so excited because I love, love, love making things for babies. They come out so tiny and cute and adorable, and I think all of us, our hearts melt when we have a little baby in our hands. So I know that this person's really going to appreciate it. I ended up only doing one of these. I was going to do a bigger size one for somebody else, but I'm starting to realize a lot of things, and I decided that probably would be best not to. So I'm going to just concentrate on making a bunch of little gifts for this one person. And yeah, so at the end I'll probably put everything together and take a picture of it. So I'm hoping to make at least 3 to 4 more things besides this little set right here. I do have to go buy some onesies because I don't have any more newborn ones, so I'm going to be doing that. And I also need to find some designs that I want to put on this, so I'll probably put something construction related on this, or gear related, I don't know, something cute to go along with this. Other than that, I want to wish everyone a happy Easter, and I hope you're having a wonderful time with your family, friends, and loved ones, and stay safe, and I will see you on the next one.